To kill Skarrgard, you should stay concentrated. If he uses his normal swing without jumping, jump backward and create some distance. It's much safer than trying to trade hits. And when he jumps, don't run away. Walk underneath him. He will land behind you. You have free chance to attack. And for biting, don't bite immediately. Start binding as soon as he does his normal ground attack. That's your safest hidden window. And every time stay away from him when he try to attack you. You see, underneath him, it's easy. This time I will bind. Wait, wait. Oh, he's finished.